I got somebody almost spurs, man. Right now, it's just.
Nah, you know, it's roommate.
That's okay, man.
You know what?
Ms. Powers, this is your first appearance hearing before the Magistrate Court of Clayton County. We're not here to try your case today or to take a plea. We're here for you to be informed of the charges that are pending against you, advise you of certain rights, set a bond or bail on those offenses for which this court is authorized to set bail, schedule a preliminary hearing, and to determine whether you require the assistance of an attorney. You have the right to remain silent and say nothing, but should you give up this right, any information you provide to this court may be used against you if your matter proceeds to trial. During this and all other proceedings, you have the right to the presumption of innocence until the state proves your guilt beyond a reasonable doubt. You have the right to indictment by grand jury for most felonies or by accusation for misdemeanors. You have the right to a speedy and public trial by jury. You have the right to see, hear, and cross-examine witnesses who are called to testify against you. You have the right to compel the attendance of witnesses on your behalf by subpoena. You have the right to offer evidence in your own defense should you choose to do so. But should you choose not to do so, no presumption of your guilt may be raised. I'm going to appoint a court-appointed attorney to assist you with your matter, unless you can afford a private attorney or you'd like to represent yourself. If you can afford a private attorney, ma'am, please have them, after you retain them, file an entry of appearance with the court. And once they do that, then the court-appointed attorney will no longer assist you with your matter. You can post bond in 3 ways. The first way is through a cash bond. The total amount would have to be paid to the sheriff's office plus surcharges. They'll hold on to that money until your case is disposed of. And then the funds will be returned to the person that posted the bond. The second way that you can post bond is through a bonding company approved by the sheriff's office. If you do that or you go that route, they'll charge up to 15% of your total bond amount, and they will not return those funds to you. They'll keep them for their services. And if you use a property, you'll have to have net equity in the property in an amount equal to 3 times the total amount of your bond. If you have special conditions associated with your bond, make sure that you follow those instructions. If I tell you not to go around a particular place or person, make sure that you do that to avoid being rearrested, the possibility of your bond being revoked, and you remaining in custody until your case is disposed of. You do not have victim in your case, so I can go on to let you know that you're charged with a misdemeanor, and so you do have the option of waiving your preliminary hearing. If you do that, then you'll receive notice in the mail on when to appear for your arraignment. Waiving your preliminary hearing will not affect your bond, will not affect your right to have a jury trial or your right to have an attorney appointed to assist you with your case. Ma'am, you're charged with use or possession of drug-related objects. Do you understand what you're charged with?
Yes, ma'am.
Your bond is $1,500 and you're ordered not to violate any laws if you post bond. Do you think you'll be able to post bond?
Yeah, not at this time.
Do you waive your preliminary hearing or would you like to have it?
I'll waive it.
All right, stand by to sign your waiver. All right, stand by to sign your waiver.
What does that?
I have to take over the assignment. Is that it, Joe?
When do I go to court?
That's the last person I had. They're gonna send you your arraignment date in the mail.
But I'm here.
That's if you bond out.
But what if I don't get bonded out?
That's the last person that I have.
Okay. All right, Judge. Have a great day.
Same to you. Thank you.